it too.
Okay.
What if you're like a sound sleeper and you don't feel the bed shaking?
Okay, but and you can't hear and see that well?
Well,
But normally your parents would try to make the attempt to get you, okay? Now I say parents, it shouldn't be another sibling. It shouldn't be a brother or sister, especially if it's the same age as you. They need to get outside. Another thing that I say that folks your age can help is having a whistle next to your bed. Because if you hear that smoke detector go off and you think your mom and dad or your brothers or sisters don't hear it, you grab that whistle, and at the same time when you're leaving that house, you be blowing it as loud as you can because they might hear you blowing that whistle. That's the only job that I would ask you to do to help out. Otherwise, if you need to help get somebody out of a crib and that's not your job. That's a grown-up's job to do that. So it might be a babysitter that's there at the time, your grandparents, your mom or dad, and that's not a responsibility of you to get out. Okay? You can yell if you don't have a whistle. You can yell, Mom, Dad. Now, technology's come a long ways. I'm going to back up to that smoke detector. Technology's come a long ways. Not only can you buy them with lights in them and stuff like that, your parents can record a message in some of these smoke detectors and say, there is the fire, we need to get up and get out of the house type of thing. They do make that because sometimes children will hear that and relate to that than a loud beeping sound. So there are smoke detectors that you can buy that has a way that it will tape record your parents' voices when that goes off. Yes?
How many volunteer firemen are there in Penfield?
We have 71 members here in Penfield. Some of us are more active than others, but we all have a part that we play. We can either be on the radio communicating with the trucks to make sure that they're going to the right places, because some of us don't pass our physicals as we get older type of thing, but there's other jobs that we can be doing in the meantime here at the fire station. So we do have 71 members.